Rounding off of numbers to the nearest 10. Examples. Round the following numbers to the nearest 10. The first question, 83. The first thing for us to do here is to apply what we call the principle of place value, or we say 100 tens and unit. Now, from the back, we have unit here. This is unit, that's the last number. And then this is what? This is tens. So it means that if you want to round off to the nearest 10, then since you're having t on top 8, then it means you are considering this value, which is 8. Now, at the back of 8, what do we have? We have 3. And 3 is not up to what? 3 is not up to 5. So in this case, it means that we have 8 here. But the space we have here, what space are we having? This particular space we have here, we turn to what? 0. It means that 83 is equals to 80 to the nearest 10. That's the solution to the first one. The second one, 692. Let's apply 100 tens and unit. We have unit here, we have tens, then we have 100. Now, where do we have t? T is on top 9. So in this case, it means we are considering 69 together. So, and at the back of this 9, what are we having? At the back of 9, we are having 2. And this 2 also is not up to what? 5. So since 2 is not to 5, so what do? That particular space we turn to what? 0. So we have 690 to the nearest 10. The third one, we have 8,847. If you apply 100 tens and unit, we have unit, then we have tens. This is 100, then we have 1,000. Where do we have t? T is on top of 4. Then we are considering 884. Specifically, we are considering 4 in order for us to have our approximate value. And at the back of 4, what are we having? We are having 7. And 7 is even more than what? 7 is more than 5. So we are going to take 1 from 7 and add it to 4. So what do we have? We have 5. So in that case, the space of this 7 will automatically become 0. So we have 8850. Because we take 1 from 7, add it to 4, we have 5. And this particular 7 will turn to 0. So in that case, what do we have? We have 8,850 as an approximate to 8,847 to the nearest 10. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.